Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka jela Meghalaya mentaka kenti kalayo sa uwi pat urang bahasi uban chimti kumu Judge Bapura jong kayeng kasyari Meghalaya High Court bat uniu day uba wan lura dingdo ya uba wan lura lapan bam smai dau Chief Justice Bathamai jong kayeng kasyari Meghalaya High Court u Justice Muhammad Rafiq ha ka jingalang kablalong ha ka khatsan tarik unai weng arajar khat khandai ha Conference Hall jong kayeng kasyari Meghalaya High Court uba wan lura dingdo ubadeu District and Session Judge undai urang bakhasi baar uban shimti ya kashuki kumu judge jong kayeng kasyari Meghalaya High Court hadien jong Justice ba HS. Thank you.
Wanlura Dingdo, having been appointed judge of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favour, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.